Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a radiator on a Chrysler Town and Country. First, gather your essential tools, including a drain pan, a socket set, and various pliers. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning any work to prevent burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Then, carefully drain all the old coolant from the system into your drain pan, which typically holds about 2 gallons. Next, you will need to disconnect several components. Begin by loosening the clamps and carefully removing both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Then, gently disconnect the 2 transmission cooler lines, being mindful of any fluid drips. Unplug the electrical connector for the cooling fan assembly. Finally, remove the 4 to 6 bolts securing the fan shroud and fan assembly, then lift it out. Now it is time to remove the old radiator. Locate and remove the 2 to 4 mounting bolts or clips that hold the radiator securely in place. Carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Position your new radiator into the mounting brackets, ensuring it sits correctly. Reconnect all the hoses, the 2 transmission cooler lines, and the cooling fan assembly, tightening all clamps. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Refill the cooling system with the manufacturer-recommended coolant, typically around 2 gallons, ensuring you use the correct type. Bleed any trapped air from the system by running the engine with the heater on high until the thermostat opens. Finally, thoroughly check for any leaks and confirm proper engine temperature operation during a test drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.